Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset Services.msc. So it means if you mess up with this service system, for example, you stop one of the service because of you need it. Sometimes there is service that you don't need, but sometimes if you have mistaken, for example, you stop Microsoft service and makes your Microsoft service, for example, Microsoft Office cannot open and other Microsoft service cannot run because of you stop it, or another service that I accidentally stop. You can go back to the first time when you are using Windows 11. All you have to do is go to the control panel, and then you can go or you can search the all control panel items recovery. Here you can open system restore, you can click next, and you can go to back into the first time your Windows is launched. So this is like a factory reset, but not deleted all your files. Just keep all your files. Just go back or return back into the certain time here. For example, date and time. You have to create your system restore first to enable to go back to your time when you create your restore point. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next